what we're gonna do, I have cucumber already cut up. We're gonna cut up some cucumber. So just gonna start it off like this. Alright. This is some cucumber. I'm gonna be using a medium-sized cucumber right here. Put inside of the bowl like this. Alright. Lovely and nice. So we're cutting up the cucumber. You can cut it up whatever size you like to cut it up, it doesn't matter. I'm using one medium-sized cucumber. Nice one. So that's the cucumber right there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting some radish inside of it. Alright, so if you're at home, this is what you can make at home. Alright guys, to be honest, it's gonna be fantastic. I got some gherkins, you can put also inside of it for color. I'm just gonna be using up all of my rest of my stuff which I have in the kitchen. So keep tuning, watch the video, and also share the video. You know what I mean? It's just good to learn something new, guys, at home. Alright, nice one. So I'm using up some more radish inside of it. Radish is very good for you. You know what I mean? I know that tomato is acid a lot, but a lot of people like tomato. You know what I mean? Mix up everything in the bowl. So I just want some more radish inside of it to give it that lovely color what you guys are looking for. You know what I mean? Something simple like this on Thanksgiving Day, honestly, it's gonna be really amazing. So I'm gonna pop some tomato inside of it just like this. Some cherry tomato, or if you got plum tomato, you can also use plum tomato. Alright, beautiful recipe for you to make at home in your kitchen. Alright, and this is from Chef Ricardo to you guys. You're gonna love this one, definitely. Look at that, and an amazing salad recipe from me to you today. So stay tuned in, watch the video, and see exactly what's gonna happen in the end of this video with Chef Ricardo today. Alright, so we just put in some cherry tomato, or you know what I mean, whatever you have, you can just use it. Alright, just use your hand and just mix it about. Look at the color already, guys. It's amazing, fantastic. Now I have red onion which I want to use inside of it. Alright, I love my red onion. I don't know about you guys, but I like to use red onion a lot. Yeah, and that is just beautiful. Red onion in the salad, beautiful. Look at that. Wow, mix it up together. Alright, that's exactly what you want to see. If you have some black olive, I never have any black olive. Gonna see if I have some black olive. Oh no, no way, I don't have any black olive. But if you have some black olive, you can put it inside of it also. Alright, now I have some flat parsley which I want to use. I'm gonna add this to it. You know, parsley is very good for weight loss. Yeah, parsley is good for weight loss. A lot of people know that too. Yeah, very, very good for weight loss, and also very good for more things. Alright, now we're gonna add some olive oil, little bit of olive oil. Alright, I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice inside of it. Get that lime juice out of it, guys. Let's catch your seeds. You can use, alright, there's one seed. Lovely and nice. Alright, that's what you want to do. You want to catch that beautiful seed. Now we'll give it a mix just like this, and it's a simple little salad. You guys you can even make this and bring it to work. Now the whole thing about this salad, yeah, and also you can put a little bit of dry chili on it. Beautiful salad, guys. Look at that, amazing. All right, now I'm going to put a little bit of pepper inside of it. Let's put a little bit of black pepper. You know what I mean? You can use some coarse pepper if you want. Alright, that is just lovely. Look at that, beautiful. Alright, now what I'm going to do is put some chisel seed inside of it, because this is really good in salad. You know what I mean? And mix it about. Alright, beautiful. Look at that. Lovely and nice. That is fantastic and nice. So what you want to do? You want to make this and bring it to work with you. Alright? So what we want to do now is shear it up and make you guys can see it look on the plate. Alright? Nice one. So let's put this at the side. Get that beautiful plate. And what we're gonna do is gonna scoop it up like you know what I mean? We're just gonna simply scoop it up and make you guys can see how that look on that plate today. Alright? Let's scoop up this beautiful salad. Look at this. Wow, that is fantastic, guys. Honestly, this is an amazing salad. That is just beautiful. Alright, beautiful salad. So basically, even this, if you're at home and you feel, you know what I mean, for something totally different, this is something which you can also do at home. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be garnishing it up, you know what I mean? By, this is just amazing what you can do for even for Thanksgiving Day. You know what I mean? You can simply do something like this, guys. Honestly, you can do this at home. It doesn't take nothing for you to make a beautiful salad like this for yourself at home and the family. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply put a little bit of a lemon around it. Alright. So this salad recipe is very, very healthy and also very good for you. So we just garnish it around with a little bit of lemon, just like this. Alright, and you can do the same thing at home. Alright. You don't have to use lemon, to be honest. You can use tomato. You can use so many different things to do the garnish. Alright, but I have this lemon, so much lemon, and you know what I mean, so we just use a lemon to garnish it. Alright, that is beautiful. Let's get one there, one more. Alright, that's gonna be fantastic, guys. Whoa, look at that. So the rest of the salad, we're just gonna simply pour it out on top of it, just like this. Oh my god! Wow! Look at that beautiful salad. That is an amazing recipe right there. Honestly, it's fantastic, lovely. The whole texture and everything is just amazing. Honestly. Now, as I said before, guys, you can do this at home. Honestly, you can do this beautiful drink at home in your kitchen. Everyone happy, and they will enjoy this an amazing recipe from you. Wow, look at that, fantastic. And not only that, we have that beautiful drink right over here. You know what I mean? As you can see, we have the drink which we make earlier, and also we have that beautiful salad. Wow, that is exactly what I'm talking about. As I said, make yourself a lovely salad at home. You can't go wrong, guys. That is beautiful, lovely. The whole texture, everything is amazing. So if you like this one, guys, as I said, please, you know what I mean, look at this beautiful salad. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on. It is amazing. It is fantastic. It is just lovely. The texture, the tasting, and everything is fantastic. Honestly. So, you know, as I said, Thanksgiving is coming up. A lot of people may have a little bit of healthy stuff on the table. this coming really handy for you guys. Honestly, it's coming really handy, and I know your family will love this one. Trust me guys, it is lovely, it is amazing, it's fantastic, and you know what I mean, it's just like, you know, I can't believe. Yeah, I just cannot believe. But anyway, what we're going to do now, we're going to be making one more drink, and I want you to do this at home, all right? Because if you're at home, these are what you can do. I will be coming up very soon how to make fried prawn for Thanksgiving Day, crispy fried prawn. I need to do that recipe, so that's another recipe which I will be working on coming up very soon. Now, what I'm going to do is boil my kettle, and I'm going to make a little bit of a noise, so because I want you guys to make this an amazing drink. Alright, but the salad is lovely, the looks, everything is fantastic and amazing. Alright, so stay tuned in, don't go anywhere. We have one more video which I want to show you how to make that beautiful and amazing recipe. Alright, so what we're going to do is put this aside. Alright, that is finished. Alright, here's fresh organic ginger. Now, as I said, as you can see it for yourself what I just written, I got a grater right here. You don't have to grate it, you can blend it. You can use a blender and blend it, alright? And as you can see, I'm going to be using this side of the grater because that side is the best side to use to make a fresh organic ginger tea at home in your kitchen. Alright guys, yeah, let's start this one off. Easy 1, 2, 3. So right here I have a lovely fat chunk of piece of a ginger. Alright, just gonna simple remove this bit and also remove this bit right here. Alright, I'm gonna be simple removing the skin from the ginger. A lot of people say, yeah, the skin is very good, yes, but sometimes what you're doing, you have to remove the skin and just use the inside of the ginger. Alright, lovely. Now what you want to do, as I said, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. You're going to be using this side of the grater and grate your ginger just like this. Make this before you go to your bed tonight. Very healthy, very good for weight loss and also detoxing and cleansing of the body. Alright. Nice one. So that's fresh organic ginger, and that's exactly what we need to do. Okay, next, what you're gonna do next is get yourself one of these container, scoop up a large tablespoon of ginger, fresh organic grated ginger inside of it, just like this. Alright, Secondly, if you boil a kettle, this is what you want to do. All right, you want to make sure that your kettle is boiled and ready to make this an amazing drink. So what you're gonna do is put some hot water inside of the kettle. All right, mix it like this. All right, get yourself a green tea bag. All right, put one green tea bag inside of the water, just like that. Tell you something, the green tea bag works miracle at home. All right, nice one. Once you do that, then what you're gonna do next is get your clean flame, yeah, and just wrap it like this, seal it tightly. All right, don't make any air get into it. That's what you want to do. This is just a very healthy drink for you to make at home before you go to bed tonight. Whatever you want to make it, you can also make it. It's very, very, very good for weight loss, detoxing, and also cleansing of the body. All right, this is what I've been preaching over the last couple of days about healthy eating, weight loss, and detoxing of the body. All right, a lot of people doesn't do that. A lot of people, you know what I mean, well, a few people may do it, but it is just very good for you to do something like even once a week of detoxing the body and also cleansing the body, yeah, by simple doing this. All right, guys. Now, if you're at home and you know what I mean, you can use ginger powder, and if you have some lemon, you can also use lemon. All right. If you can also, if you notice, I've been doing donation also fee. If you look on it, there's a donate, you can donate whatever you have, 50p, 1p, 2p, 50, whatever you have, can donate. Anyway, as I said, the detoxing is also very, very good for your body. All right, especially when you go to bed at night, you know, you're sleeping, so your body is resting and doing a lot of things through in the night. So if you're at home tonight, relaxing, watching the news, watching a movie, watching the TV, whatever you're doing, you know what I mean, make yourself a lovely cup of hot tea, like what I'm going to be showing you what you need to do tonight before you go to your bed. You don't have to be tonight, it can be wherever you want to do it. It's up to you. All right, or you can do it early in the morning before you eat your breakfast. You can drink a nice lovely hot cup of tea like this one, which I'm going to be showing you how to make. It is just delicious, guys, and I'm telling you 100% you can do this at home in your kitchen. No one can tell you what to do in a kitchen. It's your kitchen, so you can do it. All right, by making yourself a lovely hot drink, especially if you hold for the whole day today, eating a lot of junk food, you know what I mean, eating a lot of fried food or whatever. Just sit back tonight and just drink yourself a nice lovely hot cup of a lemon tea or ginger tea or green tea or lemon tea before you go to your bed. Very, very, very good drink for you to drink before you go to your bed. A lot of people may allergic to lemon because of the acid and all these things. You don't have to be lemon. That's the secret about this kind of drink, where I show you guys what to do at home. It don't have to be lemon, to be honest. It also can be green tea. It also can be ginger tea. It also can be, there's so many different things you guys can do at home. All right, what I want to say to you, go over to my YouTube channel. I make a few recipes on live today. Oh, they love it. You know what I mean, a healthy salad and all these things. I was talking a couple of weeks ago and I said that a lot of people not eating salad, so a lot of people need to take the time out and start to make salad and eating a lot of vegetables. All right, so you need to start joining Chef Ricardo on the YouTube channel. Sometime I've been doing a lot of live. Go over there, join the membership, and be a member of Chef Ricardo, because I've been doing a lot of healthy stuff over there for you guys. All right, now this is supposed to be ready now. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to leave it, we're going to lift the flag right here. All right, just like this. Look at that. See that heat, look at that steam coming out of it. Beautiful. And that's what you want to do. All right, then give it a mix. And what you're going to do next is get your strainer and run it through your strainer like this. That's a lot of ginger. I know, it's a lot of ginger. But I'm telling you, the stronger the ginger in it is the better for you. If it's a little bit too strong, what you can also do is add a little bit of water, hot water to it, all right? Look at that, an amazing, beautiful one. So what you can also do, you can add roughly about half teaspoon of honey to it, all right? And I'm going to taste this one. Perfect. That is just lovely and nice. All right, so that one is a perfect ginger tea for you to go to bed. All right, secondly, I'm gonna be showing you the next secret recipe where you can also do a perfect lemon tea for you to drink early in the morning before you go to work. All right, get yourself a beautiful lemon like this one right here. Hopefully you guys can see exactly what's going on. Let's put the lemon right there. And what I'm gonna do is cut my lemon into half. All right, and I'm going to squeeze just about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice inside of this cup right here. You want to drink this early in the morning before you go to work. And then secondly, cut about 2 slices of lemon. All right, and then what you're gonna do is fill it with some hot water from your kettle. You don't have to fill it straight right up to the top, roughly about 3/4. Put a few slices of lemon inside of it, just like this. And what you want to do, if you have any apple cider vinegar at home, quickly just drop roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into the water. And if you like, you can also use a tiny bit of honey just to bring down the flavor a little bit. Secondly, you can also add a little bit of cayenne pepper, very good for you. All right, nice one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste this one. Wow, I can taste that cayenne pepper. Wow, nice, beautiful one. So you got 2 options, and secondly, you don't have to too stress yourself. You got cumin. This thing is also very, very good for drinking. Also cumin. This is very good in cooking and also cooking and a lot of different things. A lot of people normally use cumin into. All right, guys. So if you're at home and you decide to do something, you know what I mean, before you go to your bed, this is just like a quick update advice for you, where you can also do if you are interested in cleansing of the body and also detoxing of the body. All right, so hopefully you guys will like this one. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and watch more recipe from Chef Ricardo. I will always give you, I have some lots of recipe over there coming up very soon for you guys to do at home. It's just an amazing recipe, guys, and you know what I mean, shout out to everyone who's watching. It's just a quick update version of what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with some more beautiful recipes